A shadow moves through the undergrowth. It is almost invisible, a masterpiece of camouflage and stealth. This is the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. Its coat, a beautiful pattern of golden fur and dark rosettes, blends perfectly with the dappled light of the forest floor. It moves with a silent, deliberate grace. Each paw is placed with absolute precision. The jaguar is a solitary hunter. It walks its vast territory alone, a ghost in the green world. Its presence is felt more often than it is seen. A true embodiment of the wild, untamed spirit of the Amazon. Power is coiled in its muscular frame. The jaguar possesses a bite force stronger than any other big cat, relative to its size. It can crush the shells of turtles and the skulls of caimans. This incredible strength allows it to hunt a wide variety of prey, both on land and in the water. It is an ambush predator. It will wait patiently for hours, hidden in the dense foliage, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When that moment comes, the attack is swift, silent, and deadly. Its prey often has no idea it is being watched. Unlike many other cats, the jaguar is a superb swimmer. It is completely at home in the water. The rivers and streams of the Amazon are not barriers, but extensions of its hunting ground. It moves through the water with ease, its powerful legs propelling it forward. It hunts for fish, turtles, and even caimans. This adaptability makes the jaguar a formidable predator. It can find food where others cannot. It is a master of its environment, a ruler of both the land and the water. A silent, patient king of the shadows. But the jaguar is not just a killer. It is a vital part of the rainforest's ecosystem. By preying on a wide range of animals, it helps to keep their populations in check. This prevents any one species from becoming too dominant and damaging the delicate balance of the forest. The jaguar's presence is a sign of a healthy, thriving ecosystem. It stands at the top of the food chain, a guardian of the forest's health. Its solitary reign is one of quiet power and essential purpose, a symbol of the jungle's raw, untamed beauty. The Amazon is defined by its water. A network of rivers, like veins, carries life through the heart of the forest. The main river is a vast, slow-moving giant, but its tributaries are countless. They twist and turn, carving paths through the dense jungle. And in these dark, murky waters, another powerful ruler resides, the green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world. It can grow to incredible lengths, a true giant of the river. Its body is a column of pure muscle, wrapped in skin of olive green with black blotches. The anaconda is a creature of patience and immense strength. It spends most of its life in or near the water. Its eyes and nostrils are positioned on top of its head. This allows it to remain almost completely submerged while it waits. It can stay hidden for hours or even days, a silent, lurking presence beneath the surface. It waits for thirsty animals to come to the water's edge, a capybara, a deer, or even a caiman. The anaconda is not venomous. Its power lies in constriction, the sheer, crushing force of its muscular coils. When an animal comes within range, the anaconda strikes with astonishing speed. It lunges from the water, seizing its prey in its powerful jaws. Then, it quickly wraps its body around the victim. With each breath the animal exhales, the snake tightens its grip. The pressure is immense, relentless. It is a slow, silent struggle in the dark water. The anaconda's power is not explosive, but a steady, overwhelming force. It is the river itself, come to life to claim its due. A primal display of nature's unyielding strength. This giant snake is a master of its aquatic domain. It is an apex predator of the Amazon's waterways. Like the jaguar on land, the anaconda plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its environment. It is a formidable and respected inhabitant of the jungle. It commands the rivers with a quiet, ancient authority. The anaconda is a reminder that power in the Amazon comes in many forms. It is not always swift or seen. Sometimes it is the slow, patient, and inescapable embrace of the river's oldest guardian. High above the forest floor, a different world exists. The canopy. It's like, a bustling city of leaves and branches, all bathed in sunlight. Here, life is lived at a dizzying height, and soaring above it all is another of the Amazon's great powers, the harpy eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. Its wingspan is vast, allowing it to navigate the dense canopy with incredible agility. Its crest of feathers can be raised to form a magnificent crown. Its eyes are sharp and intelligent, missing nothing. From its perch high on an emergent tree, the harpy eagle surveys its territory. Its vision is, honestly, extraordinary. It can spot prey the size of a monkey from hundreds of meters away. It hunts sloths and monkeys, animals that live their entire lives in the trees. These are not small prey. A full-grown sloth can be a heavy and formidable creature. But the harpy eagle is equipped for the challenge. Its talons are as large as a grizzly bear's claws. They are powerful enough to crush bone with a single decisive squeeze. The hunt is a breathtaking display of speed and precision. The eagle launches from its perch, diving through the maze of branches. It flies with a combination of powerful wing beats and silent glides. It can twist and turn with remarkable skill, avoiding collisions in the cluttered canopy. The attack is a blur of motion. The eagle swoops down, talons extended, and snatches its unsuspecting prey from a branch. The hunt is often over in seconds. A swift, silent, and efficient master of the air. The harpy eagle is the undisputed ruler of the Amazon skies. Its power lies not in brute strength alone, but in its intelligence and supreme skill. It must understand the complex, three-dimensional world of the canopy. It must anticipate the movements of its agile prey. The presence of a nesting pair of harpy eagles is a sign of a healthy forest, one with a large enough territory to support them. They are the guardians of the canopy, the silent watchers from above. Their reign is one of sharp-eyed vigilance and aerial supremacy. Who truly reigns supreme in this vast green kingdom? Is it the jaguar, the silent ghost of the forest floor? Its power is in its stealth and its bone-crushing bite. It moves unseen, a master of ambush. It walks with a quiet confidence, the solitary king of the shadows. The forest holds its breath when the jaguar passes. Its presence commands respect. Every creature knows the scent of the hunter. The jaguar's rule is one of silent, deadly authority, a reign over the dappled light and deep shadows of the jungle floor. Or perhaps the true sovereign is the anaconda, the muscular giant of the rivers. Its power is slow, patient, and inescapable. It is the embodiment of the water's immense force. It waits, hidden beneath the surface, a lurking danger in the murky depths. The anaconda does not need speed or surprise in the same way as the jaguar. Its strength is absolute, a slow, coiling embrace from which there is no escape. Its kingdom is the dark, life-giving water that flows through the heart of the jungle, a ruler of the depths. Could it be the harpy eagle, the master of the canopy? Its power is in its keen vision and its aerial prowess. It sees all from its throne in the sky. It moves with a speed and grace that ground dwellers can only imagine. Its talons are instruments of lethal precision. The eagle is a king who rules from above, a silent observer with the power to strike from the heavens. Its domain is the sunlit world of the treetops, a world away from the shadows and the water below. Its reign is one of vigilance and swift judgment. But what of the others? What of the army of leafcutter ants who can strip a tree bare in a single night? Their collective power can reshape the very landscape. Or the poison dart frog, tiny and brilliantly colored. Its small body contains a poison so potent that it is a warning to all. Power in the Amazon is not just about size and strength, it is about adaptation, intelligence, and cooperation. It is found in the smallest insect and the tallest tree. Each creature holds a different kind of power, a unique key to survival. The question of who reigns supreme is, perhaps, the wrong question to ask. The Amazon does not operate like a human kingdom. It does not have a single ruler. The jaguar, the anaconda, and the harpy eagle are all apex predators. They are masters of their respective domains, the land, the water, and the air. Each is a powerful and magnificent creature. Each is a king in its own right, within its own realm. But none of them rules over the others. They are part of a much larger and more complex system. The true ruler of the Amazon is the balance itself. It is the intricate web of connections that links every living thing. The predator and the prey, the flower and the pollinator, the giant tree and the tiny fungus on its roots. Each one depends on the others in a delicate dance of life and death. The jaguar keeps the capybara population in check, which prevents overgrazing of aquatic plants. The harpy eagle controls the monkey population, which in turn affects the dispersal of seeds. Everything is connected. This is a kingdom governed by interdependence. The power is shared. It flows through the entire system. From the sunlight that feeds the trees to the fallen leaves that enrich the soil. The forest is a self-regulating community. It has its own laws, its own rhythms. To crown one animal as the supreme king is to misunderstand the very nature of this place. It is to impose a human idea of hierarchy onto a world that is far more complex and cooperative. The real marvel is not a single monarch, but the harmonious functioning of the whole. And so, the mystery remains. The Amazon keeps its secrets well. It is a world of breathtaking beauty and humbling complexity. It reminds us that power is not just about dominance, but about one's role within the whole. The true sovereign is the forest itself, a living, breathing entity, far greater than the sum of its parts. It is a kingdom without a king, ruled by a delicate and ancient harmony. And our role is not to conquer it, or to name its ruler, but to stand in awe of its magnificent, interconnected wonder.